Today we'll break down why losses are normal and how to keep following the system after them without turning trading into a dramatic TV series. I'll show it on real session examples, so it won't be boring. Today, we are focusing on two indicators, Vortex and Donchian Channel. We add them to the chart and let's agree right away. No complicated setups. No, let's tweak this little thing here. We keep the default parameters. You see, practice shows that these guys behave the most predictable on basic settings. And don't start making stuff up along with the market. We look at the chart and search for a situation where both indicators say the same thing, not pulling the blanket in different directions. And right now, an interesting picture is forming. Price starts creeping up to the lower boundary of the Donchian channel and clearly tries to push through it. I open a short trade. At the same time, Vortex with its red line shows a down direction. There's a breakout attempt, Vortex confirms the down direction, and the first trade closes with a positive result. Great! The market moved our way, no drama. And one more thing, I want to remind you, any consistency in trading comes only with practice and understanding the process. To make that path easier for you, I've put together a free educational resource. It's a platform where my personal experience, observations, and system-based approaches I've refined over the years are all collected. There you'll find detailed setups, examples of how they play out, indicator settings with clear explanations and step-by-step risk management guidance. I regularly update the pinned materials and add instructions and break down situations every trader runs into. All of this is available for free. The link to the resource is in the description under this video. We move on and look for the next similar setup. Price touches lower Donchian channel level again and Vortex starts to reconfigure. The red line moves above and begins to dominate. Vortex fully confirms the downward direction. At this point, we open a trade to the downside. And here the market decides to mess around a bit. Price bounces off the level and we get a forced breakout. The trade closes with a loss. Calm down, don't panic, it happens.
And release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind.
And that's exactly why we always keep a plan B. You see, in these situations, the deposit is not a working tool. It's not a reason to get emotional. I increase the size of the next trade to cover the previous result, but I don't do it randomly, only when there's a more solid setup. Nobody's about to jump into the market blind here, and the right moment shows up, Vortex is back to showing a bearish direction, and the price is pretty much breaking the lower Donchian channel boundary. There's still room to the previous extremes, you've got space to follow through. So, I open a sell trade. The logic is simple here. The odds of continuation are higher than the odds of a sharp reversal. Notice the next candle opens with a gap. That happens when the imbalance between buyers and sellers becomes noticeable. The market basically steps down without warming up. In moments like that, the key is to not interfere and not try to predict every little wiggle. The trade closes in our favor and fully recovers the previous loss. If this format clicks with you, if you want to get into the real working environment where charts are viewed daily, strategies are analyzed and the market situations are discussed, just message me. The contact is in the description under this video. I personally review applications and select participants to keep the quality of communication high and the group sharp. Sooner or later, I'll make this community fully closed. It'll be a club of people for whom trading isn't just an interest, but a way of thinking. So if you feel like you're ready to move forward, it's better to do it now. And the most important thing at the end, losses don't make you a bad trader. They make you a good market participant. The difference between chaos and stability is what you do after them. Stick to the system, don't argue with the market, and treat the process a bit lighter. It's not a tragedy, it's a job. If the video was useful, subscribe to the channel. Here we talk about the market honestly, with humor and without illusions.